Hi guys, welcome back to another freaking video. Today we are going to be doing this dusty pink look that I created. So if you want to learn how I did it, just keep on. Okay, so I have my eyebrows done and I have my foundation done and I have all of that fun stuff done and I am baking right now. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into the eyeshadow. First I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. The first shade that I'm going to go into is my favorite nude color from the original Jaclyn Hill palette, this one right here, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. I'm going to dip into the Beverly Hills Anastasia palette and I'm going to dip into the color Buen Fresco, this one right here. It's more of a purpley shade, but I'm just going to lightly, that's a lot, I'm going to lightly take it into the crease to give it that kind of pinky purple undertone. Next, I'm going to dip into the James Charles palette and I'm going to dip into the color Pinkity Drinkity. And I am just going to take this and bring it all the way up to my brows. For my lids, I'm going to take this Kylie Jenner brush and go back into the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to go into the shade Love Letter and I'm going to make like a halo with my lid into my crease and I'm going to leave the middle kind of empty. Using a M573 brush from Morphe, I'm going to dip back into the James Charles palette into the Pinkity Drinkity color and I'm going to soften up here. Going in with the JH40 brush, I'm going to be going into the James Charles palette Skip with a very light hand and I'm just going to bring this color all around my eyes to kind of brighten up the pink to make it just a little bit more of a dusty pink. And then that little spot that we left kind of clear, not so much color, I'm going to take that hot pink color and add it right there to add a little bit of contrast to the middle of the eyelid. I have said this before in previous videos, this palette has perfect highlighting shades. They are so nice, so creamy, and I think that they are flawless. And I'm going to go into that palette and I'm going to take the Vermeer color and I'm going to highlight my brow bone first. And then I'm going to take that Vermeer color again and I'm going to put this in my inner corner to brighten it up just a little bit. Going in with the JH40 brush again, I'm going to mix Love Letter and Skip out of the two palettes, and I'm going to put this on. And I'm not bringing this all the way into the inner corner this time. I'm literally just bringing it kind of almost like 3/4 of the way into it so I can leave my inner corner glowing with that color. Going in with this NYX white eyeliner, I am going to line up my bottom lash line. A white eyeliner is a super easy way to awaken the eyes, so you could really apply white eyeliner every day. It will make you look more awake and more put together. I feel like I really do enjoy a good white eyeliner. This one's not my favorite, but it does its job. Now I'm just applying my Buxom mascara. While my mascara dries, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add highlighter to my face. I have some on there already, but I want to go into the James Charles palette and try out his color Face. It is only because it's what he uses every day, and it looks stunning, so I'm just going to dip into that shade, and I'm just going to highlight my face. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to apply my lipstick and my false lashes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so my lipstick shade for today is Posy K by Kylie Jenner. And so yeah, that is it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.